Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Let's look at a 2020 SX210 by Yamaha. This Yamaha SX210 is in the blue. It's a 10-person capacity boat. Has a very large swim deck on the back, ample seating. You'll notice that this has a walk-through in the center. Makes boarding a lot easier. Let's take a look at the engine power on this unit. Twin TR1 Yamaha engines, plenty of power, all insulated, sound deadening. We have the full Yamaha branded cover with ratchet straps on this boat. Very large bow area. We've got anchor storage in the front. Speakers. Twin captain's chairs, thigh-rise bolsters. Has an infinity stereo system, digital gauge. If you'd like to take a look at this Yamaha SX210, come by and see us. MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm Jim Pinkham, 704-997-2168.